No, you can't. Because I'm freaking too good. Now can you see me? I'm an invisible manager. Oh look, you're trying to kill me? Are you? Okay. I'm gonna go in the middle of these to go to the, hexagons. And I'm gonna stay in the middle of the hexagons. And I'm gonna, do my biz. Okay, I'm just gonna do a secret, attack towards the red area. It's gonna be really, really weird, but really secrety. Okay, so I'm really close to the red base, and I'm gonna stay invisible once I get there. Am I even recording? Okay. So I just got someone. Nobody can see me, which is a good thing. What? The red things can see me. Oh my god. That brings us to the end of today. That's just a mini thing for Diapier. So I'll be recording more Diapier next time.